Tenant states, my washer is making a loud grinding noise. Yep, that is a loud grinding noise. So I'm gonna pop the skeleton off and take a look at the motor. And just by visually looking at this, I can see it has puked up all the transmission fluid and it probably stripped out one of the main gears inside. Although, just to make sure, I'm going to pop out the drain motor, pop out the actual electric motor, and take a look at the couplers. Couplers look almost brand new. They are the upgraded ones, so at some point I was here recently and put on new couplers for them. It's unfortunate the transmission did not last much longer probably after that. Look at all that transmission fluid on the ground, flung out all over the machine. They're going to end up getting a new washing machine. Do put transmissions in these, so this will go back to our shop and I'll put a new transmission in it at a later date. I did now just realize I forgot to plug the motor in. Alright, tenant's happy, they get a new washing machine, and, you know, I'm happy because I get to work on it. All set here, on to the next one.